LocalStack is an emulator through which you can run many AWS services on your local system. I will be doing more videos on how you can do a lot of services and use cases with the help of LocalStack. But in this video, I just wanted to show you that if you would try to install LocalStack on Amazon Linux 2023, it won't work as of now, and you will be getting the following error which is being displayed on your screen. So if you are on the private subnet, and from that private subnet in the AWS VPC, you can only access the internet through a proxy, then it won't work and you will be getting the following error. And currently there is no workaround around it, and I have checked with AWS, so they are working with their internal teams. But so until then, what I had to do, I had to opt for Amazon Linux 2. I'll be trying again with Linux, Amazon Linux 2023 once AWS fixes it. But for now, we have to unfortunately stick with the Amazon Linux 2. Now for Amazon Linux 2, let me show you how I installed it. First thing you need to do is to meet few prerequisites. First and foremost, you need to have Python 3. So I installed Python 3 with the yum, and and as you can see, after installing, it is showing me this. And then you need to install Docker with the sudo escalated privileges. So sudo is done. Once you do the sudo, then you need to go in and use this command python 3-m pip install localstack to get the localstack installed. So that's pretty much it which you need to do in terms of installing localstack on Amazon Linux. In the subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to use the localstack. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any comments or feedback or questions, please put them down below the video. Thank you.